Alright, let's talk about the PWD and DIR's command in Unix based systems. So the PWD command is used to display the print the current working directory and display the path from the root directory. So you can see I am the path it displays is home/Tauseed Zaman, and which is the complete from path from the home directory from the root directory, and the dir's command displays the path from this profile directory, from this profile home directory. So my profile to see Zaman's profile, uh, and it displays the home directory of that. So if I go to desktop slash test slash YT, and if I type DIRs, it displays desktop tests and YT. So it displays the path from my profile to this current working directory. And if I type pwd, it displays home/zaman slash desktop slash test slash YT. So it displays the complete path from the root directory, including home, and then my profile name, which is Tauseed Zaman, and then desktop and test and YT. So the pwd commands displays the path, current working directory path from the root directory, and the dir's command is used to display the current directory path from the home directory of the current profile. So that is the little difference between dir's command and pwd command.